Palm oil business is a lucrative business that any entrepreneur can do. Profitable. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Toluwani's channel. My name remains Toluwani. On this channel, I upload videos on businesses, on career, and on education. So if today is the first time of seeing this channel, welcome. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. To my new subscribers in the house, thank you so much. Thanks for being part of this family. Thanks for choosing Toluwani. So let's go step by step on how to go into palm oil business. Palm oil business is a lucrative one, and any entrepreneur can do. If you decide to go into this business and if you do it right, you are going to make your profit. You know, palm oil, it is what it is being used in cooking and other uses of this palm oil. So palm oil is used for cooking, it is used in soap production, it is used to in production of food for dogs, and it is also being used in production of cosmetics. This organic soap that they are doing, that we are using, so palm oil also is one of the ingredients that is being used. If you look at all of this uses where it is being needed, you will see that it is a lucrative business. If you decide to go into this business, it is what you can do. If you do it right, then you are going to make your. What are those things that you need to know? The first thing that you need to know that palm oil has its own season. It has its season at which it is being surplus in the market, and it has business. Your target moment for you to be able to stock in this palm oil is going to be a period at which it is being surplus in the market. And this period is from February to April. So if you want to go into this business, you need to target that from February to April. This is going to be the period at which you are going to store in your palm oil. Where are the places at which palm oil production is being done? Firstly, it is in Osho State, in Ikure, and also it is being done in Ondo State, and also it is being done in Akwa Ibom and South. You can also make your research to know those areas at which palm oil production it is being done, for you to be able to know the places at which it is being at. Then what are those things that you need to know if for you to make your profit? What this business means that if you do it right, you are going to make your profit. The first thing that you must know, that you must know how to dictate palm oil that is good and that is original. How are you going to know this palm oil? You know, we have different types of palm oil in the market. We have the one that the taste is not good. We have the one that the odor is not good. We have the one that when you pour it inside the pot, it used to be soapy. And we have the one that both the odor and the taste are good. The one that the odor and the taste are good are the good ones because they've cooked it very well. The ones that the odor is not good is still because there are still water inside it. That is why the odor and the taste is not good. So you must know that you must know how to dictate the original one. You know, you want to store in this palm oil so that it's not going to be before you want to sell it, it is no more good. So you must know how to buy the original one in the market during its own season. So after you've known this, when you are going to market, what you need to do is that you need to go along with your own gallon, because those people as which they are into this business, some of them are dubious. They are going to pour water into a container, into the gallon, and pour the palm oil on top. Then you will feel like you will thought I've gotten a good palm oil till until when you want to sell it, you are going to know it is water that is underneath and palm oil is on top. So you need to go to market. So you need to go to market with your gallon. Then you make sure you pour it from that gallon into your own gallon for you to be assured that what you are buying is original and is 100%. So that is the first thing that you must do. So after you have make your purchase and you have gotten this palm oil, how do you want to store it? The way at which you will need to store it also is also important so that you will not be at loss. You know that even in our various houses, we don't used to put our own the palm oil at which you are buying on the floor, on the mere floor, or on the tiles, because it's going to lose its originality and its authenticity. So after you have gotten it from the market, you have make the purchase, you will need to look for plank. Put a plank on the floor and put these gallons on top of it. It must not reach the ground and it must not reach the wall. Those are the ways at which you can what? You can preserve it for after you have store it, after you've put it in a good storage. What are the next thing that you need to do? Then you need to do your market research. Who are those people that you want to be selling this to? Do you want to be those that are in restaurants? Do you want to be supplying those that they are doing cooking? Do you want to supply, or you want to sell in your local market? I think the first thing that you must do, just selling in your local market will be the first thing to do. You just need to go to market at the period at which it has been expensive. Those period that has been expensive are the rainy season, because they won't be able to climb up the palm tree, and even the seed, the production of the seed is not going to be coming out at this period much. So these are the rainy season had the period at which palm oil used to be expensive. So just know that if you make this purchase within 6 months, you are going to have your money back with your gain. Let me tell you, this business, don't buy in large quantity for the first time of you buying it. Make sure you try this business. Did this business work for you in the first time you are buying it, or what? So that it will not be that at the end of the day you are going to be at loss. Make sure that you do everything that you need to do right, and you are going to make your gain. I want you to know that if the places at which they are doing this production is far from you, you can make use of your local market at the moment at which the palm oil is surplus in the market, because the price is going to come down at this time, and you can buy them in gallon and keep them in your home. Are you in Lagos and you are thinking Osun State is far, or other places are far? Don't forget that period at which it is cheap, it is also being cheap in your own environment. So you can make use of your local market at this time. You will go to market, you will buy, and you will store it in the house against the period at which it has been expensive in the market. So make sure that you do your market research very well. Make sure that your storage it is well intact. Make sure that the time at which you're supposed to buy it at the moment at which you are buying it, and make sure that you are able to dictate, you are able to know the original palm oil. And if you do all of those things right, you are going to make your gain. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do so. Make sure you turn on the notification bell, because in my next upload I'll be uploading on the businesses that you can do as a civil servant, or as somebody that has a daily job that you are doing. So the next upload is going to be for you. Jobs that you can, businesses that you can do in conjunction with your job. Till we meet again in my next video. Thanks for listening to Toluwani. Bye.